There's a special kind of magic in a cat's purr. That soft, rhythmic rumble soothes the heart and quiets the mind. It's one of the most calming sounds in the world. But did you know that beyond bringing comfort, it also carries a natural healing energy? Studies have shown that purring actually promotes healing in cats. Researchers have found that a cat's purr resonates at a frequency known to support bone growth, muscle relaxation, and even pain relief in cats and humans alike. As you settle in for this guided meditation, imagine yourself immersed in these gentle, healing vibrations, inviting a deep sense of calm and peace throughout your body. Allow the sound of the purr to calm, comfort, and renew you. Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. This is your time to rest, to receive, and to be held in a space of pure healing. Whether you're sitting upright or lying down, allow your body to relax into the support beneath you. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath and invite it to be soft, steady, and effortless. Imagine the warmth of a peaceful cat curled up beside you, its fur soft, its body gently moving with each breath. As you listen, a soft purring sound begins. A low, steady vibration that seems to hum through the very air around you. With each inhale, welcome this purr and its healing vibrations into your body. And with each exhale, let it dissolve any tension, any tightness, any holding. Feel it resonate within you. A soothing frequency flowing through your bones, your muscles, your heart. If you'd like, you can picture yourself in a peaceful, sunlit space. Perhaps a cozy nook bathed in golden light, or a secret garden dappled with the warmth of the sun. The cat remains beside you, its presence warm and grounding. And as it purrs, imagine this sound as a healing wave of light, soft and radiant. With each breath, the wave flows through you, gently restoring and renewing every part of your being, your body, mind, and soul. The purring waves of healing wash over your head, clearing your mind and quieting any lingering thoughts. They flow down through your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension and inviting softness. Feel them traveling through your arms and your hands, bringing warmth and ease to every muscle. They hum through your chest and your heart, filling you with a sense of peace, safety, and well-being. The purring waves of healing continue downward to your stomach, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Until every part of you is embraced by this gentle, soothing energy. Allow yourself to be held in this sound, wrapped in its warmth, completely at ease. Visualize the purring frequency mending your body, restoring your energy, and filling your spirit. If you'd like, you can repeat the following affirmations after me out loud or in your mind. My body is resilient and full of light. Healing energy flows through me with ease. I am surrounded by comfort, warmth, and peace. Enjoy a few more moments to rest in the purring waves of healing. I'll be back when it's time to close out our practice. When you're ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath. And while keeping your eyes closed, bring your awareness back to the space around you. Take one more deep breath in. And on your exhale, sit back, take a stretch, and gently blink open your eyes. Thanks so much for listening. Have a wonderful rest of your day.